Hey there! Today I have another Infinitely LOFT box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Infinitely LOFT, it is a pretty new clothing rental subscription service from Loft, and it costs $64.95 per month, and you're able to rent supposedly unlimited rentals, but you can only rent 3 items of clothing at a time. So this is my 4th box with Infinitely LOFT, and I'll put a card up above to my playlist of earlier videos, and I'll also put information in the description box below as to how the service works. But let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. And I have my bundle of clothes, and it looks pretty nice, I think. I see florals, and I also have a prepaid mailer to send all of the clothes back. So with Infinitely LOFT, the way it works, you can shop their site and you can select items that you'd like for them to send and put them in your closet. And you can also prioritize items, like if you really like them and you want them to send them out sooner. So for this box, all of the items were set as my priorities. Okay, so the first item that I got is this skirt. And I don't have a lot of animal print, so I thought, I think this is kind of a nice look. It's just I think tasteful. So it's more of a midi length skirt with a, looks like leopard print. And this is a size medium petite. And it's polyester, and it's fully lined. Okay, and this is the leopard print Smock Maxi skirt in Arabian sand, and my buyout price is $34.50. So if I wanted to, I could buy this out for $34.50, which is not bad, I think. And that reflects a 50% off retail price. So yeah, I like this. I think this is really nice. And I think, I probably said this before, I think with these rental services, it's a good way to try out different styles, I think. Okay. Next, I have this dress. See the print? It's pretty, black and pink. And I got a size small. They didn't have petite sizes for this one. And this is the floral smock back dress in black. And let's see, it has a smocked back. Yeah, you'll see it. And for this one, the buyout price is $35.50, and that reflects a 60% off retail price. So yeah, very cute. And all of these items you can also find on the regular Loft website, and I'll try to link everything up. Okay, and lastly, I got this skirt. I think this is really cute, actually. So this is a mustard colored skirt with a button front. This is the button shift skirt in sparkling sunshine, and the buyout price for this is $27.50, and that says it's a 60% off discount, and I got it in a size 4. So this is actually not a petite size, but a regular size, but I sized it to a 4. Normally I'm about a 6 petite. So usually what I do, if I want something to be a little longer, instead of like a skirt like this, instead of getting the petite size, I'll just get the regular size, but I'll size down 1. Okay, and I kind of like yellow. I think this would look really cute with a white top, or maybe black. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Infinitely LOFT box this week. And yeah, I thought, I was happy with these items. They were actually items that I really wanted and had set as priorities. So I think that was good. Also, I noticed they did send it out pretty quickly. I did the return notify, and they sent it out maybe about 2 days after I had done that. And it took about 2 business days for me to get the box. So I think the turnaround was pretty fast. So I'm hoping that this month I'll be able to get at least 3, hopefully 4 boxes. Okay, but anyway, what I'll do for the try-on is I'm just going to try it on tomorrow morning. I'll get up a little early before I go to work, and then I'll try everything on, and then I'll decide what I'm going to wear that day. Okay, so here is the animal print skirt. And I think this is kind of a nice basic. It's animal print, but it's basic. And it's kind of a longer length for me. I don't have anything this length. Well, I don't usually wear things this length. But yeah, I think it's nice. It's just very, very basic. I mean, there's no pockets though, which is maybe good because then it doesn't add bulk. And it is lined. It's polyester, so it's not the most breathable fabric, but at least it won't wrinkle. But yeah, this is just very cute, and I've just paired it with a black basic t-shirt, and this is actually a Loft t-shirt that I've probably had for a couple years, and the Stella and Dot necklace and some low flats. Okay, and let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, so here it is with a denim jacket, and I think this is actually a really cute work outfit. Yeah, so, okay, so that's the first outfit. Okay, so here's the dress. And yeah, this is a very cute dress. I like the print. It's black, pink, very basic. And I just paired it with some pink, a pink necklace and some pink shoes. Oops. I think that looks nice. And yeah, it's just very cute. It has a tie in the front, so I think it's flattering. It's a little on the short side. And then in the back it has some elastic. So yeah, very cute. And it's extremely humid here. But I'm going to try it on with a sweater. This is a pink duster. Okay. And here it is with just a pink duster. I mean, just because it gets really cold in the office sometimes, so you always have to have a layer. But yeah, very cute too. I like it. Okay, Kaya's barking. But here's the last item, and it's the yellow mini skirt. And this one, I didn't get the petite. I got a regular, I think, and I got a size 4, which actually fit for the white skirt that I got earlier, but this one feels a little snug. And this is interesting. It has like buttons in the front, but it actually has a zipper in the back. So yeah, so here's the outfit, and I just have it paired with like a very basic white sweater top, and this is from Zara that I got probably a couple years ago, or maybe 3 years. Well, watch out. And these are some slides that I got from Clark's that are new, and I just got it from Amazon. But yeah, I think this is cute. I don't know, it's a little tight though. It's probably going to stretch out because the material does have some give, and it is a little short. Let's see how it looks with the denim jacket. Okay, and here's just, this is my dark wash denim jacket that I just had out, but I could probably go with a lighter wash too. Yeah, I think this is cute. I don't know if I'll wear it though, but it is cute. Okay, so now it's the weekend. And yeah, so I think for this week, I was really happy with the items that I got from Infinitely Loft. I actually ended up purchasing the Leopard Skirt. You know, and I'm not really into animal print that much, but I thought it was a very tasteful skirt, and actually I wore it to work, and my friend Cheryl, super shopper Cheryl, she's kind of into animal print, and she was just like, wow, it's so nice, you know, and so I had to buy it. I figured because Cheryl really loved it, and you know, I thought it was nice too, so I thought, okay, I'll take a chance and I'll get it. And that's one thing, I probably wouldn't have just bought it, you know, even if I had tried it on in the store, but because I actually wore it to work and I got compliments, I decided to buy it. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, that's something you wouldn't normally do unless you were renting it, I guess. I did also wear the black floral dress, and I also got compliments, but because I have so many floral dresses already, I decided I would just send that back. But I did think it was nice. And the yellow skirt, I ended up not wearing it. I thought about wearing it, but it was a little bit too tight and a little too short, so that one just went back without wearing. So I went ahead and I did my return notify Thursday evening after work, and then I mailed everything back on Friday. And I already got notice that my next box, and here's a sneak peek, is coming. So I should be getting that hopefully, if they mail, and this is a Saturday, so I guess they do work on Saturday. So it was mailed out today, so I'm thinking, you know, 2 to 3 days priority. I'll probably get it on Tuesday. So I'm excited, and it looks like I'm getting some nice colorful things. Okay, so the only downside I think so far with this Infinitely Loft, because I am actually really loving it, is that I'm ending up buying things. So far I've gotten 4 boxes and I've bought 2 things. But I mean, I guess that's not too bad. But still, I wasn't planning to buy anything, right? But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I'm going to grab Miss Kaya again. But yeah, well, she'll help me say goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, and poor Kaya, she was actually hanging out by the door. Yeah, I think she wanted to escape from me because she's had to say goodbye so many times. Yeah, cutie. But this dog, she's incredible. You are. And she's so sweet. And she's so loving. And she's so good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.